What's poppin'? It's your boy Slick, and we are back with another reaction video. If you're not part of the Slick gang, what I need you to do is please scroll down below, hit that subscribe button, because we are the latest gang on the tube, and this is absolutely no cap. Make sure you come back here daily for your daily dose of bangers, all quarantine long, all 2020 long. Just know you will be taken care of. Now today, we're checking out, this was pretty suggested. I don't know who the originator of this song is. DJ Mercury Way. Don't know who that is. Song is God Batu. Maybe. Featuring MT and Saudi, two artists I do know. You guys suggested it because of MT, and you said I wouldn't be disappointed. So I'm pretty sure Slick Gang always take care of me. I don't even gotta trip no more. You know what I'm saying? I don't even gotta trip no more. So without further ado, let's get straight into it.
It's legendary.
It's a real thing. It's a real thing. This.
So if you buy two Bambi in a show, did it just to spite you. Good luck ain't known. So if you buy two Bambi in a show, did it just to spite you. Good luck ain't known. So if you buy two. So if you buy two.
Yeah.
Hey. Big dog coming through. Little puppies gotta move. I ain't scared of your crew. Pulled up, didn't shoot. I'm blowing up, how you like that? I got some racks in my.
This beat hard. Beat is hard. Good shit, Slick Gang. This beat is hard.
Side back. They used to tell me that I'm whack. Tell your favorite rapper I'm back. Hey, I touched down at Destines Continent. Looking for that paper where it is. Snake niggas renting and they heat. You jaganja if you snitch. I show up, they like ooh. Baki bella pesqueru.
Yeah.
Bankumbuzum too. We are she's a
I
butter.
don't understand a word they saying, but this shit hard.
I'm cool. Killing haters like show. Me and Saudi on the road. We be getting to the door. Hello, wavy with the flow. Kill rappers, case closed. Sir, I'm sorry about your daughter. She was too infatuated.
Okay.
Zomboista next things on Chelute. Happy belated. I couldn't finish school.
See, I need some more MT with this type of vibe, with this type of energy. You know, this type of energy. I need some more MT with this type of energy. If there's any other songs from MT that I haven't touched yet with this type of energy, please let me know in the comment section below. Just let me know.
Because my flow is graduated. I'm running around with that coke, not tea, kitty, I'm excited. So he got two Bambi in a show. Did it just to spite you. Good luck ain't known. So he got two Bambi in a show. Did it just to spite you. Good luck ain't known. So he got two. So he got two. Hey, I've been winning for a minute. Now the vision is so vivid. Sky is not the limit. Josie, that's my city. My boys are Lamborghini. Life don't make you skinny. Hate on me, boy, you just silly. It don't matter, it's still winning. Yeah, finally Jagatron with don't touch me. John Wick, that my brody. Kaka, yeah, Uncle Cody, Susie, I'm going.
He said, John Wick, that my bro. You know, I saw a meme or a tweet the other day. No, who was it? I think it was Casper. Haha, it was Casper Neovest. He tweeted the other day. He was like, "Hey, can Corona kill John Wick's dog real quick? I'm trying to see something, cause you know, if you touch anybody of John Wick, he gonna come for that ass and kill you." That was funny as hell. But let me run that back. Since I'm hearing some English, I want to make sure I hear all the bars. You know.
I've been winning for a minute. Now the vision is so vivid. Sky is not the limit. Josie, that's my city. My boys are Lamborghini. Life don't make you skinny. Hate on me, boy, you just silly. It don't matter, it's still winning. Yeah, finally Jagatron with don't touch me. John Wick, that my brody. Kaka, yeah, Uncle Cody, Susie, I'm gonna like Tony. Bangeli Kwan, Bangelu Mako. I've been geek so long that I feel like I'm too high.
I'm going out like Tony. Fun fact, you know I ain't never seen Scarface. I ain't never seen Scarface. I think I might try to watch it this weekend. I'm gonna definitely watch it this weekend. We can get it on Amazon Prime and watch that hoe. But I do know that song is long as fuck. I don't know if it was that one or Godfather that's long as fuck. That was just a sidebar. Don't worry about it.
It's over me. From the streets, now we flex. You still taking baby steps. Cooking up like a chef. Told my dogs, fetch. To the guap, left. To the top, yes. Praise God, bless. I'm in the north with Saudi West. Bank theory, first came MT. Sniper on the roof, I think they calling me Jali. Got this beef from Black Diamond, but I was made by Owani. That's my arsenal, I've been hustling since 14 Terry. It's that D-I-Y-2, yeah, I'm coming right through. Something like a spike too. I'm making the right move. No more coming up. Hey, young nigga run it up. Nobody was fronting us. Nah, niggas can fuck with us. Nah, so he got to Bambi, think I should. Did it just to spite you. Good luck, ain't known. La, so he got to Bambi, think I should. Did it just to spite you. Good luck, ain't known. La, so he got to.
I wish I could see my legs.
So he got to. So he got to. So he got to.
Beat is hard. Was this made by DJ Mickery Way? If he did, amazing job. My fantasy remix with this, I wouldn't even want to put nobody else, but the only other person I could think of is Nasty C or Aries. Nasty C or Aries would body a beat like this. What? Go crazy. And I'm pretty sure they would go probably even crazier than the artists already on here. No offense, but I'm pretty sure Nasty C would body this. And if I was to hear Aries, I would have heard so many bars on his hard ass beat. Let's hear the rest of it. Man. Oh my God, this be so hard. Oh my God, this be so hard. Yeah, that was fire. Good shit. Good shit, Slick Squad or Slick Gang. Whoa, Slick Squad, get that shit the fuck up out of here. Slick Gang only. Gang, gang, gang. That was perfect. That was beautiful. Thank you for letting me know. This is why we are the Slick Gang, because we only listen to bangers. Y'all been telling me, well, I don't even know, it's a couple people. There's only a couple people that told me about this one. And I was like, you sure I didn't touch that one already? I sure didn't. I sure did not touch this before. But definitely Nasty C or Aries. Let me know in the comment section down below if you agree with me or not. And if you don't, who would your fantasy remix be? Mine would for sure be. Man, Nasty C would go crazy on this. He would body this. That would be stupid. But yeah, man, I hope y'all appreciate this. What I need you to do before you leave is like this video, comment down below, and let me know. More importantly, please subscribe. Peace. Josh on a fucking beat.